everyone! So, kamusta? Sana okay kayo. Nandito tayo ngayon sa kitchen namin ulit. And since wala na naman akong magawa, gusto ko namang itry ninyo and mapakita sa inyo yung favorite ko na baked chicken recipe. So, sa mga gustong matuto kung paano ko ginagawa yung favorite kong baked chicken recipe, please keep on watching. So, ito yung mga ingredients natin para sa baked chicken. So, ang ginagamit namin is this, chicken thigh. So, tatlo kasi tatlo naman kami magkakapatid, tigi-tigi isa. And then, para ma-season natin tong chicken, we will be using garlic powder, white pepper powder, granulated onion, and then salt. Gagamit din tayo ng olive oil, butter, chicken broth. Ito chicken broth, lalagyan din natin to ng lemon, squeeze of lemon, and then also onion. So let's start! First, we pat the chicken thigh with a paper towel to take off the excess moisture. Next step is to season with a little salt and pepper. For the compound butter, we mix in butter, olive oil, garlic powder, salt, white pepper, and granulated onion. I also added rosemary to the mixture. Mix all the ingredients together until you form a paste-like mixture. Mix the ingredients very well, and once it's all together, place it on top of the chicken skin. Add a generous amount of the butter mixture. This will make the chicken skin crispy. So let's prepare now the chicken broth. We just add in a zest of lemon. Using an iron skillet, place the onion at the bottom of the pan. After that, we can now place the chicken on the pan with the skin of the chicken facing up. Pour right in the chicken broth on the pan. Just don't let the broth to cover the skin because we want to make the chicken skin to stay crispy and the chicken meat to stay juicy and moist. After the chicken broth, let's add in some lemon slices. After that, we are now ready to bake the chicken. So we have to bake the chicken for at least 45 minutes or until the chicken is well done. And you can see that the chicken skin is golden brown.
Andun na yung chicken sa oven. So, i-bake na natin.
After 45 minutes, this is now our baked chicken thighs. Enjoy!